Chapter 6, Part 14. Shortly after the death of Husamuddin, the widow of Jalal, Kira Khatun too departed this life and was buried by the side of her husband. As her corpse was being borne towards its last resting place, the procession passed through one of the gates of the town. Here the bearers found themselves arrested by some unseen power so that they could not move hand or foot. This singular effect lasted for about half an hour. Her stepson, Sultan Belid, with the other mourners, struck up a hymn and commenced a holy dance. Soon after this, the bearers recovered the use of their limbs and found themselves able to proceed. All now went well, and the interment was completed. And more commonly is the experience where the people are forbidden somehow from, there's a sacred site or a grave or something that they didn't have the right consciousness and they need to get it to do that. But then again, if he's, to complete the burial process, that would make sense in that occasion too, that psychically or spiritually were grasped, you could say. That same night, a holy man of the fraternity of purity or whatever, saw Kira Khatun in heaven near to her husband. He inquired of her concerning the arrestation. She informed him thus: the day previous, a man and a woman had been stoned to death at that gate for the sin of adultery. I took compassion on them, interceded for their forgiveness, and obtained for them admittance to paradise. My preoccupation in their cause was the reason of the delay met with by the funeral procession. And something grave was being dealt with in the area, so it could have nothing to do with the people. That's case two. But realize that in the Islamic vision, those who are executed, the Quran doesn't support the death penalty for adultery, but those who are executed pay for their sins via that, and we're not supposed to presume otherwise. So, sometimes it's the best opportunity because they would have never